Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Crystal Chanel, and today I am going to be doing a braid out on my hair for the first time, being relaxed. So if you didn't catch my video, I did upload a video the other day of a setback that I'm having with some hair breakage in the back. So make sure that you check that video out so that you can see exactly what's been going on. But my hair is now freshly washed. Today I did incorporate the Nioxin system number 5 into my regimen. So that's what I washed my hair with, was the Nioxin. I'll be sure to put in some footage of what that Nioxin step number 5 looks like. I did use that today and my hair feels really good actually. I did blow dry it out, and now that it is straightened and kind of full and not so oily, let's just take a quick look at what the back looks like so that we can compare how it looked in that previous video, okay? So let's go ahead and turn around. All right, so that is the back of my hair. That's where I'm having that nape breakage that's taking place. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into this video of this braid out. All right, so for my styling mousse that I'll be using today to hold my braid out, I am going to be using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Twist curling mousse. I really enjoyed this mousse when I was natural. I never had any type of flaking or anything with it. So I'm going to try it with this braid out. And then for the ends of my hair, because I do want that curl at the ends, I am going to be using the white perm rod with my style today. And that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'll be talking over the rest of the video for this so that we can go ahead and just knock this out. Stay tuned. All right, so we are going to start by sectioning off our hair so that it's easier to control and work with. I'm going to section mine into 3 sections, 2 of them being in the front and then 1 big section in the back. With the mousse, you'll see throughout the video that I only use about 2 to 3 pumps per section. You'll be able to tell each section that you do if you need to add more mousse. You'll start to feel it getting a little dry. Just take a little bit of mousse and continue braiding your section down until you feel that, you know, it's at the wetness level that you need it to be. So you'll see that I'm just going to go ahead and start braiding here. I'm not doing a French braid. I'm just doing a single strand braid going straight down. I am going to braid this to maybe I have about 1.5 inches of hair left at the ends, and then I am going to take my perm rod and roll each end. Continue doing that all the way around your head. You'll see that as I braid my hair, I take my sections a little bit bigger because my hair is fine. So make sure that you gauge your hair and your density, and then take your sections as big or as small as you need them to be to get this style. so I am back. I did go ahead and finish my entire head. I did use exactly 13 perm rods because my hair, as you all know, is pretty fine and it's not thick. So I am going to turn around, show you the back of it, how I staggered them. I also, of course, you know, had to be pretty gentle with that back area where my nape is breaking off. So I'm going to turn around, show you what this looks like, and then I am going to sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes, but the rest of it I'm just going to allow it to air dry until I take it down in the morning. So let's go ahead and see what the back looks like. Alright, so stay tuned so you can see exactly what the outcome is and the final results, and I will see you all in the morning. Alright, so it's the next day. I'm back. I am ready for the day. I have taken down the perm rods already, and now I am going to go ahead and take down the braids themselves with you all. I'm going to start with my Olaplex bonding oil, and I'm just going to use this on the braid and the ends of my hair to prevent any type of frizzing and to allow that treatment for my hair. I am going to also go ahead and separate each section as I take it down, so you'll see that as well, and stay tuned so that you can see exactly what the end results are and how it turned out. All right, so I have half of my hair taken down, and can we talk about the definition and the shine that I have here? I absolutely love it, and I haven't even fluffed it out yet. So stay tuned. Here's the rest of it taken down with no fluffing, and it feels amazing. It looks amazing to me, and I think this is going to be a cute style. Let me show you what it looks like from the sides as well as the bounce that I have. Now I am going to fluff that out with a pick, and then I'm going to spray this Verb Ghost Dry Oil on my hair. This is a great oil if you don't like anything heavy but you like to have a nice shine on your hair, and the smell on this is really nice as well. So definitely pick some of this up. They do sell it in Ulta as well as their website. Let's go ahead and start fluffing out the hair and see exactly how it turns out. as you can see here, I'm very happy with the results. I am going to keep fluffing with my fingers and with my pick until I get it where exactly I want it to be. As you can see, I still have some parting there, but no one can see that. And I'm just trying to determine now how I want to wear it, whether I want to wear it pinned up on the side or just all out. And overall, guys, I think that I'm just going to wear this hair completely out because it looks so pretty and classic to me. You all know I love the classic hairstyles, the roller sets, and all of that. So I'm just going to keep playing with this. I hope that you enjoyed this video and this tutorial. Make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you like this content, and I will see you all later. Thanks for watching. Bye.